Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CATIA Surface and Part Design Tutorial. In today's video, we will discussing about how to create this part in CATIA. So let's go without wasting any time. First, we will go to in mechanical design and then click on part design. We will begin by creating a horizontal surface. So this horizontal surface dimension is 80 and this dimension is 120. So select on sketch view and click on horizontal plane and then choose a center rectangle and give the dimension. This dimension is 120 and this dimension is 80. And exit the workbench view and convert into 3D part by the pad command. And this dimension is 15. Reverse direction, click on OK. After that we will check. So this outer, and we will create this outer circle. So outer circle dia is 18 mm, 80 mm and inner dia is 60 mm and height is 20 mm and inner dia height is 15 mm. So click on sketch view, select on the surface and choose a center circle and give the dimension. This dimension is 80 and then exit the workbench view, click on pad command and give the dimension 20 mm and click on OK. After that inner dia is 60 mm. So click on sketch view and select on the surface. After that choose a center circle and give the dimension. This dimension is 60 mm and then exit the workbench view and then click on pocket command and the height of 15 mm. Click on OK. After that we create this throughout hole. The throughout hole dia is 30 mm. So click on sketch view on this surface and choose a center circle. Give the constant and dia is 30 mm. Exit the workbench view and click on pocket command. Change the dimension type. Click on up to next and click on OK. So this hole is given. Now we will create the wall. This wall is 80 mm and the height is 60 mm. So click on sketch view, select on the surface and then click on center rectangle and give the dimension. This dimension is 60 mm and the horizontal dimension is 80 mm. and give the constant. Select on this ace and select on this ace. Click on right and coincidence and select on this ace, this ace to this ace. Coincidence. After that, exit the. After that, we will create center hole. So center hole diameter is 32 mm. And give the constant. This die is 32 mm. Sorry, this die is 32 mm. After that, give this radius. Give this circle, half circle. So half circle. This die is 80 mm. So select center circle and click on OK and remove the extra edges by the quick trim command. Click on yes and then exit the workbench view. Click on pad command. Give the dimension 20 mm. Click on reverse direction. Preview. Click on OK. Finally, to mirror this wall, use the mirror command. So click on mirror command, select this wall and select this vertical plane. Click on OK. So now we will check this part. This part is OK. That is for this part. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.